G'day everybody, welcome back, Badlander here. Hey, on this ride, we're doing something a little different. We're going on a road ride. As you recall on the last episode, when my KLR got stuck and stranded in the bush, Pete, my mate, came and helped me out. And what you didn't know at the time was he was sporting 3 broken ribs and a cracked 4th one, but he still drove and came and did what he could to help me out, which I totally appreciated. On the way back, Pete said, "Hey, you owe me a road ride now, I can't go bush for a while." So I thought, fair enough. So the next weekend we've organised this ride. So I'm on the KTM, the KLR's having a bit of a break, Pete's on his Transalp, and we're heading up the Palmerston Highway from Innisfail, heading up towards Miller, where you can go to Atherton, but we're choosing to go right and we'll come back down the Gillies range. The ride is quite scenic, on nice smooth curvy roads at part of it, and then undulating hills, beautiful scenery, you just can't fault it. And then on the Gillies range, I think there's something like 249 twisties in 19 kilometres, so probably the best motorbike road around here. So come along, enjoy the ride. I really appreciate your support, and we'll keep going. Okay everyone, this is the start of the Gillies range from the top. Now there's over 263 bends over 19 kilometres of the Gillies Highway. We're coming down from the top. It's just an absolute pearl of a ride, can't fault it. We were so lucky that day, with the exception of a couple of cars, we had no one on the road but other bikes. It's just a great day. So I hope you enjoyed the scenery. And I'll shut up now so you can watch it.